I am in the process of getting to know myself in this year of my life, and I would say that this got to be my favorite so far. Yes. Ang saya pala, girl. Ang saya. Blooming pa kayo. Ang saya. But, you know, a lot of jumping out. Pinakabahan din ako as I enter this new year. But then, that's what makes it so exciting, getting to know myself even more, just being myself and presenting the real me into the world. So I'm just happy na tinatanggap nila whatever I do, whatever the way I present myself and everything. It's just very, I just appreciate that so much. And I think whether celebrities or just the people you meet every day. And for me, I idolize a person or these people because I see myself in them, they inspire me to be better, and I see them as human beings. So, for me, we women shouldn't aim for perfection, but we should aim for growth. So maybe the openness, if I could give just one advice, just be open, because the world is really out there, and hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari sa'yo, you just have to give it a chance. So that's what I'm doing now, and so far, it has been working for me. You know, just be open and enjoy every process of it. It's so liberating. It's work.
Hi, Catholics! Bahay! Sorry, wala kayo dito ngayon, but andito naman mostly ng admins. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. And I shall see you very soon when I get back from Canada. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Kat.